Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to go live on Instagram. If you're using Instagram, now you want to go live on your Instagram. So let's see how can you do that. So very first I recommend you have to update your Instagram app using your app store to avoid issues. So here you must have to go for search for Instagram and you must have to tap on this update option to update your Instagram app. After updating, you have to simply open your Instagram app. So once the update completes, just open your Instagram app and here you must have to tap on this plus option in the top left corner, or sometime it might be that the plus option might be here. So you must have to tap on the plus option and you will get the option of post, story and reel. So it might be that your live option will be here. If you can't find the live option here, you must have to go back and here tap on this profile option in the bottom right corner. Now to get the live option into your Instagram profile, you must have to switch your profile type to a creator or a business account. Now to do that, you have to tap on this three horizontal lines in the top right corner, then scroll down and look for the option of account ownership and control or account type and tools. Just select the account type and tools, then tap on switch to professional account, then tap on next option. Then you must have to select any category which you want to select. Then tap on switch to professional account. And here you have to select the professional type. It might be creator or business. So I'm going to select creator, then tap on next. And here you must have to set up your profile, but you can do this later. Just tap on this cross option and your account type has been set. You will get the professional dashboard here. So once your account has been professional, you will get the live option. And there this plus option, or if you still not get the live option, just tap on 300 lines again, scroll down and you will get the option of help. Just select the help option here, select report a problem, then tap on report a problem without shaking, select include and continue. And here you must have to briefly explain your issue which you're facing. You must have to write any description that your account cannot go live on Instagram, help or give a fix or something like that. You just have to send it. And once your report has been sent, Instagram will respond you on your Gmail account by way that your issue will be directly fixed by Instagram. So in this way, you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.